In this video we're going to be adding more users to your doorbell. The phone on the right has a doorbell already set up, so we're going to go on the XSH cam, go onto the settings icon, then share QR code. The QR code will allow the second user to connect to the same doorbell. Now with the phone on the left, the second user, we're going to go on to the XSH cam again. This time go to add a device, then scan QR code. In this window with the green bar scrolling down, we're going to put in the barcode from the first phone, allowing this second user to have the same doorbell information to access and see the same doorbell. Now you can click on the image and see the doorbell, same as the first camera, as the QR code had all the camera information. If you have any other questions or would like to see any other videos, leave them in the comments below. If you're looking for extra security, maybe think about having another camera pointing at the doorbell camera. This could be a dummy camera or a real camera as a deterrent to stop the doorbell camera being taken. There's also cages available to protect your cameras if you're worried your camera will be taken. There's also CCTV camera stickers and beware of dog stickers to be used as a deterrent. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.